Handemo Technology Co Limited, a national-level specialized and sophisticated little giant, a manufacturing individual champion enterprise in Shandong Province. With 9 national honors, it helped set many national standards. In 2025, revenue reached 1.217 billion yuan. Products cover multiple categories and levels, centered on turn mill, 5-axis turn mill, and boring milling machines, covering industrial software, machine tools, robots, and smart tool cabinets, positioned for diverse user groups. The full industry chain layout is complete, boasting the only composite manufacturing team in the nation's industry, an industrial machine tool automation design team, an embedded development team, an AI big data development team. We built the world's first 13-axis twin-spindle twin-turret AI machine tool, rated as the first of its kind in Shandong Province, and received high praise at Beijing and Shanghai Machine Tool Expos. Selected as a Haopin Shandong brand, production and sales have led national market shares for 3 straight years. The first globally to implement AI plus manufacturing in all scenarios. In September 2023, we integrated ChatGPT for human-machine dialogue. In February 2025, we integrated the DeepSeek large model. In June, we entered the new era of AI agents. Our industrial large model received international first-tier certification, selected as a key research and development project in Shandong. Integrated AI programming, scheduling, and quoting enables one-click production, building an artificial intelligence scenario ecosystem with AI, creating a smart factory. Connected machines, robots, smart warehousing, and software are fully integrated, achieving automation across the entire production process. Our self-developed AI fast work order system, serving over 35,000 customers. Handemo provides automated processing solutions for users worldwide.